These monkeys don't just look funny, their voices are even funnier. Let's meet the monkeys. Howler Monkey is the loudest monkey in the world. Its roar is super loud call you can hear from 5 kilometers away. They live in rainforests of Central and South America. Gelada baboon monkeys live on the mountains of Africa. Their sounds are like laughing, talking and even singing. Proboscis monkeys found in Borneo near rivers with a big long nose. They honk 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 just like trumpet. Squirrel monkeys are one of the smallest monkeys living in tropical forests. They chirp and squeak like little birds. Capuchin monkeys are smart monkeys from Central and South America. They make whistle and clicking sounds to warn each other. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe.